Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Sunny, back. Sorry for yesterday, my storage was full and the video got stopped there. I managed to come back to my base and made some progress. I've cleaned my base, did some work, and found a furnace. And the only food source I have is salmon from that lake, ocean, river, whatever it is. I don't know. And I made some chests to put my things. Yep. Yeah, I've upgraded to stone tools actually, and I'll show you my mining area. It's down there. This one, just going down, and I cleaned up this. I hate gaps. I mined here. I mined stone from there, and I closed it like this. Yeah, like that. Let's go. And one thing I know that I want to tell you a sad thing. It's my my pet parrot died. Yeah, I was placing fences around my base, and when I am placing one, he just came in that place, and when I just clicked it, he got hit by it and died. Yep. Do you wanna be my pet, Mr. Panda? Cause I am in pain. My pet just died. He used to be like him, and you want another? Come on. Come on, sir. You gotta come to my base. Yep, like that. Like that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jump. Climb this thing. Come on. Come on. You don't have to if you don't want to. You know what? I'll make your base down there. Don't worry, you'll be here at eat this bamboo. Can you eat the bamboo? Yeah, you can. Now I'll go up and put this in my chest. I don't know literally what to do today. Maybe finding a cave and gather some iron maybe. I hate that Enderman. He's just roaming around. If I accidentally see him, I'm dead. I'm doomed. And guys, I wanted to work on something. Sticks. Yep. And we're gonna do like that. I wanted to build a ladder to the top. Yeah. But no. Like that, like that, like that. Sorry. First, let me break those vines. What? Breaking a vine is harder than I thought. Can everyone make a harder than you think meme on this? Need to make 1 and 2 more ladders. I have exactly making this 7 and 3. One's extra, but no. Mr. Bed. What? Seriously. Okay. It's hard, I agree. I only had that one option. I didn't waste any. Yep. I'm on the top of tree. Whoa. Actually, there are taller trees than this. Great. Or maybe that one is on higher land, but this one is lower than this tree, the land, but grows taller than mine. That's amazing. That one's on higher land, I swear. Okay. I always wanted to make a tree house on jungle tree. I don't know why, but I like it. Okay, let's this is my bed actually. Let's go find the cave. Yeah. Don't have that much important stuff with me. But okay. We have our respawn point. You know. No. Hello, sir. Bye. I don't want to see you again. Cave. And that's a small pond. I think I need to go there into the plains. I just found a cave there. Are you serious? Just need some coal. Got a tree here. Make some torches and any mini many more. Why did I say that? Need some coal. Yeah, there must be a vein in this. I'll meet you after I collect it. Yes, guys, I am back. It was a 19 vein coal, and I think it's getting dark according to the color of the sky. I'm thinking. Let me see, where's the sun? Yep, it's setting. I'm not going. I thought I could jump in the water. I'm far from my home. I'm far from home. I am not Spider-Man far from home, but I am Sunny far from home. Well, I'm glad that it's not Sunny no way home, because I know it. I don't want to be my Sunny homecoming. Okay, that's I love Spider-Man. He's a cool guy. He makes jokes and he never stops talking. Yeah, I stop sometimes, but I want to talk like him, but I can't. I don't know why. Oh no, my hunger is not good. Salmon is a great food. Yeah, let's go kill some salmons for our survival series. Yeah, this is episode 2, guys. I don't want that cow. Why won't it let me go? Salmon. Hey, salmon. How's it going? Have a nice day by being as my food. No, Mr. Drown Zombie. I don't know what your name is, but I don't want to be your food, and I don't want to get killed. Because I don't know why. I don't want to get killed. I hate getting killed. Why do you come to me? Just leave me alone. Mr. Salmon? Hey, is that a parrot drowning in water? Oh, no. Mr. Parrot. Yeah, thank God. That's the last I'm killed. Why do you run away from me? That's what you get from running away. You wanna kill me? Come on. I'll see your end. Come on, idiot. Come on, you idiot. Why? Why? Are you scared of me or something? You... Can't you get into me? Mr. XP, sir? Nobody cares. Come into me! Are you serious? Okay, let's smelt some of our salmon. I don't know what to think. Salmon. Nobody cares. Actually. 1 coal equals 8 pieces of something. 1 block of coal equals 20 pieces of something. I don't know. Okay, we'll just roam around. And why am I keeping all this stuff in my inventory? Okay, I need food. These seeds for making some parrots as pets. I need wood actually, so that I can make some torches. I have bamboo, yeah. I can make sticks. Bruh. I don't care about the panda. There are tons of them here. Like, not the pandas, the bamboo. Yep, great. Why am I putting I don't know. What am I doing? Nothing. But something, and it's anything, so it's everything. I don't know what. Can you smell it a little bit fast? Thank you. Do you think we should go to that place now? Okay, I'm risking. Oh, sorry. Klomosha! Is it that way? Yeah, it's that way. I should return by night. If I come in the middle of the midnight, I would really die. And I have some precious stuff with me. Mr. Cave, please don't keep any mobs in your... You gotta be kidding me, right? You gotta be seriously kidding me? Man, you suck! Is that an Enderman? Mr. Enderman? Please, don't come to me. I'm scared of Enderman. Who are not scared of Enderman? Can anybody tell me? Everybody in Minecraft scared Enderman. Even with full netherite armor. I can do nothing with this cave. It's just big. You know, I can collect cobblestone actually, but nothing than that. You need a proper cave with iron and other things. Is that a proper cave? Don't tell. Yes, it is a proper cave, I think. It is looking like that, but no iron or... It's not a proper cave. It's just something. I think there is nothing. There is literally nothing. You know what? I can just go back home. My exploration today is worthless. Is there something? I need some iron. Mist. I don't want copper. Is that another cave? Yes, Mr. Zombie, I have a sword now. No, that's not a cave. That's also like... going down and doesn't seem good to me. If it's night, I should spend my whole night over here. It's like 5 minutes or something. But that's way too much in Minecraft. Like a day is 20 minutes. Just 20 minutes. It's not night. I'm glad. Let's go. Get out of this idiotic, worthless cave that nobody care. Mr. Sheep, good afternoon. I'm just seeing the time, what it is. Because we have to be good in good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You know, I just tell everyone good morning when it's evening and good evening when it's afternoon. I don't know. I just tell good morning at every time, like afternoon, evening, but not at night actually. I tell good night at morning just for fun, not. Yeah. We didn't find any iron grate, and this is a bad place. I just definitely know that. Because I can't find even a single piece of iron in that bloody damn cave. It's like so big and there's nothing. Okay. Let's find. I should do something in an episode, right? At least something. Except finding some coal. Want some iron. Birch biome. Oak biome. What? Flowers. I want a cave, not all these. Mr. Minecraft. Great. I'm gonna return to my base and end this episode. Maybe what should I tell? Found another pet panda or like found some coal. Is that an episode or something? Or maybe completed the construction of my base. I don't care. I literally did nothing in this episode. Seriously, are you? Okay, you know what? I'll end this. Hey guys, now I'm gonna end this video today by making literally nothing progress except that this. Yeah, I made some tools, but that makes nothing. Okay, this is your boy Sunny signing off.